guys, Mac Pattern Traders. We got a beautiful pump overnight. Everything looks absolutely great in regards to BTC and its direction. I'm not 100% convinced that we're not going to make a higher low. So I know a lot of people are bullish, which is fine because I'm bullish as well. I loaded a lot of spot bags for altcoins and for majors. I should say that I'm pretty much like 70 to 75% already invested with new fiat that entered the market. And let's go over the charts real quick, see where we are. Okay, so we spoke about this level yesterday, the previous weekly open, and also the PVW, which is usually a level that gets tapped. Let's call it empty liquidity or empty void or empty volume, untapped areas, whatever you want to call it. But they tap more than not. So if you let's delete some stuff real quick and do it over. I'm gonna leave that. Okay, so this is all you need right now on the actual chart. You have previous Monday low, previous Monday high. You have Monday low and Monday high, right? So we're literally on Monday low. Assuming we get rejected, if we do happen to get rejected, I'm going to add more longs to the higher low, and I'm going to take it all the way up into previous Monday low. Again, don't forget the main range that you want to get back into isn't current Monday, it's previous Monday. The reason why we want to use previous Monday low and previous Monday high is because that was the high that led to the all-time highs, right? So you want to always use that specific high, and you want to always use the low that led to the lower low. The lower high, right? So these two pivot points are very crucial for us, and they coincidentally came on a Monday. So this is the main range you want to play with, and then within that range you have your microstructure, which is Monday low, Monday high, and weekly open, right? So blue is micro and black is macro range in my eyes, right? Yeah, we have additional price action at the bottom that I'm neglecting for the time being because I am pretty convinced that we're not going to go down there. So rather than wasting time talking about the bearish scenario, which I'll do at the end of the video, let me just tell you exactly what I'm expecting in the next, let's say 48 hours. So there's a bull pivot. I don't want to stamp it yet, but I announced it on Twitter, but there is a bullish pivot taking place sometime on the 28th and 29th of March, which we should see a significant reaction. Let's just say that if we don't pump before the 28th and 29th, we will most probably pump on the 28th and the 29th. So as long as this low holds until the 20th and 29th, that means that the low is in, right? That's the way I'm playing it, okay? So we have, give or take, about two days to make sure that this low does not get broken. What else did I want to tell you guys about information? Okay, early April is going to offer a significant short. So be very cautious. As we get closer to the dates, I will announce it. I will stamp it for you guys. But as of right now, just be a little cautious because come April, we should get a decent retracement, which is going to be a buying opportunity for us to make a lot of money because April should be magnificently green. Be careful until April. I'd say after April, the road should be clear. Okay, now where are we? Well, level wise, let's go back over here, and let's do this. Okay, let's do this. All right, so let me just delete everything, guys. Remember what I told you guys yesterday, right? We made a low, and then we had our breakdown. No matter what happens, this is still your breakdown, guys. This order block over here is still your breakdown, and you still have to. I can't answer that right now. You still have to reach it at one point, right? There's a lot of highs at the area that need to be taken out, right? These need to be taken out. So I'm pretty confident we're going to the top side. On the downside, though, we have this order block over here. If I'm not mistaken, I told you guys it was an 8-hour order block, right? 8-hour order block, perfect, right here. So all you had to do was punch some longs there, like I told you. Here you go. Get your fib level, and put a 0.5. Okay, perfect. And your main objective right now as a trader is, sorry, I could do it. Actually, I prefer that because that's the breakdown. Your main objective as a trader right now is to get back into this range. Get back into this range. Get above. If you're not looking at any indicators, get above this line, which I'm going to make pink. Get above that line, and then instantly target the top over here. It's a very simple play. Okay, how did I play this? Well, I'm sitting in longs from the over here, and I bought a lot of spot altcoins as well. I am going to buy leverage altcoins on the higher low. I want to play a little safe. So for example, once this thing flips down, Hopefully within the next 24 hours, we do get a small little dip to come back down. I will buy more BTC at the dip, and I will buy a bunch of leverage alts on the dip. Now, oh shoot, Rune actually shot up like crazy. Beautiful. So now, regarding your mitigation block, right? Your mitigation block, which is this over here. I spoke to you guys about this in the past, right? It's the down candle. Let's make this red. So your main objective is to get above this. It's your absolute main objective to get above this on this short time frame. You need to get above this line because this is the block that led to the fake out, dump, retest. If we reject and come back down here, it's fine. It's fine because then you're gonna take this and go straight back up. But if we reject over here and come all the way down and break this low, what did I tell you guys? What are we targeting? We're targeting. Where are we? VWAP. Previous day VWAP. Okay. Put that on your chart. Go to your 1 hour. Right here. Very imperative. I spoke about this yesterday. Bid 1. Remember this? And I had this as a bid because this was the VWAP that didn't get tapped. And bid 2. So I moved them down right now because obviously we're building support here. That's how you play it. Once you start building support and once you start getting around the bottoms, you start moving your bids lower. So I have more spot bids down here and I have more spot bids down here. If you guys want to know why I use that indicator, I'll explain it to you in a different video. I'm not going to waste time doing it right now, unfortunately. So now on the top side, look at this beautiful mark right here, right here. So this, I want you to mark it down, make it black, thicken it up, make it dark green actually, and put PVW. Everyone knows what the PVW is. If you're following me, I'm pretty sure you know what that is. And then we have another PVW right there. So I am so confident that we're going up. I'm loaded in longs. I'm loaded in longs. Okay, that's how I'm playing this right now, without using any Monday range or whatnot. Now, on the micro time frame, I'll show you guys how to scalp this thing, which is going to be a beautiful strategy for you guys to make some money in the next 48 hours. Beautiful strategy. It should work because I'm doing it physically with my account. So this is all you need to see for the next maybe 3 days. Again, don't forget, whatever high or low you get. So if you happen to go up, right? You happen to go up, you get rejected off this PVW, and you come back down. Say you come back down to the golden pocket, right? Golden pocket down here. You want to long this. Let's just say that this isn't the dump. Say you go up first, and then we come down. You want to long this, and then you want to target $58,000. Okay, that's how I'm playing it. A lot of people are shorting this and targeting 48s, which is valid. You could do that, but I want to assume that this low stays and that we don't break this low. We break this low, there's a problem. Right, so we got 2 days, 2 full days, 48 hours to not break this low. If 48 hours comes and this low doesn't get broken, that means the low is in. Right, so that's the way I'm playing it. Just so you guys can know, based on cycles, based on cycles, and based on trend pattern. Oh my God, this thing is flying right now. Nice. GRT, let's go. I have to get more. I have a lot of spot GRT. I don't have any leverage, so I have to get more leverage, unfortunately, of GRT. It should definitely go to $2.25. I'll make a separate video for the altcoins because I'm in a lot of altcoins right now. Jesus Christ, let me see something with this ruin right now. I mean, it's a good scenario, good situation. Let me see, ruin. How much ruin? All right, nice, okay, cool. So, go back to BTC. I'm going to show you guys, this is how you should play this, okay? I'm going to leave this on the chart for you guys. I'll post it in the Discord and I'll post it on Twitter for you guys on Only Patterns Twitter account. And let me get rid of this. And also I want you to see something else. There's a trend line here that you need to be aware of. I'm pretty sure, it doesn't, there you go. So this trend line you need to be aware of, okay? It's not going to be easy to get above this. I'm telling you right now. This is going to be very hard to get above, so be careful, be cautious. If you want to short, you want to scalp short it, but take a little bit of your long profits here on when you get to the PVW. Okay, done. Now let me get rid of this. Let me save this. Let's go back to this. Now I don't want to get rid of this though. Okay, So what strategy am I using not to compound, right? First off, I want to show you guys something because everybody's fucking bearish, right? Everybody's bearish. People are fucking crazy. You can be bearish all you want, but if you think that this is bearish, then I guess you're there you go. You don't deserve to make money. How is this bearish? How is this fucking bearish? How is this bearish? How is this bearish? Why are you shorting? How is this bearish? Why are you not in longs right now? Tell me, why are you not in longs right now? Why are you not aped in longs right now, guys? I must have made like 50 videos about long until you're wrong. Why are you not long right now? Right? Alright, and I'm not a moon boy, guys. You know this. I'm not a moon boy. Okay, so what's next right now? So go to your 15-minute. This is a good strategy to use. If you didn't happen to get any longs, I'll show you guys how you can get into fresh longs. 15-minute TMA bands and buy sell indicator. Okay, that's all you need right now. This is gonna save you into getting into some beautiful longs, and I'll go over the oscillators afterwards. I'll go over Ethereum, Litecoin, and tell you guys why I'm balls deep in Ethereum, balls deep in Litecoin. OXT is such a stud. Oh my god, this is gonna break out so hard. It's gonna break out so hard. Can't wait. Look at this upside. Yeah, easy $1. I just doubled up real quick. Okay. All right. So 15-minute TMA bands. Put them on, please, and put on your buy sell signals. Okay. So remember what I told you guys. Once your 15-minute bottoms out, right? We bottomed out over here. The blue trend line bottomed here. So the retest. That's your bottom. That's your bottom. Now, as long as we do not lose the 15-minute TMA band that's green, we can keep scalping these moves. Okay, so now what do you do, technically speaking? Wait until this 15-minute gives you an over-under, something like this, which we will print it. We're going to print it probably within the next maybe three hours. We will print it. We're definitely going to print an over-under over here. 3 to 4 hours, okay? So wait until we get the second sell signal, similar to this over here, and somewhere up here, give or take. And then you want to buy the retest when it comes down to the 15-minute green. Any buy signal on the green zone of the 15-minute is an instant buy until your 1 hour breaks back under the 1 hour TMA band. That's the way I play it. So the 15-minute scalp longs are going to be more like intraday longs, and this is what's going to happen, assuming that we're bullish, right? And just keep riding the bottom band until we break it. And then when you break your 15-minute band down, then you can go to your 30-minute and be like, all right, where's my 30-minute green band? All right, we got one signal, we got two signals. So if this thing goes up over here and then it gets a second signal, you get your bear div, you come back down, you shouldn't get under the 30-minute mid TMA band. If by any chance you do get under the 30-minute TMA band, which is going to be at, let me show you guys this, which is going to be at mid 15, right? You want to look at your 1 hour. Look where that is on that order block. This is an order block. That's gonna hold you up for quite some time. It's not gonna crash. You can't just crash right through this. All right. So the immediate target is, again, without looking at anything, just by going by order blocks. That's your first order block of that's basically your first trouble area. Take a horizontal line, put it over here, right? There you go. That's your first order. That's your first trouble area. So regardless of what we do here, or we want to do it this way, whatever you prefer, drop down if you drop down. All right. That's it. Okay, guys. So that's how you play the 15-minute scalp long game. You basically wait until you get your second sell signal, or you get your over under, which should be coming very soon, man. Once this thing curls and turns black, it's gonna be an over under officially, like this over here. See how this is an over under? You get a second over under. More likely than not, it's a pattern completion. But you need to go a little higher for that, and then you want to buy whatever time you touch the green zone. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because we have yet to touch the green zone since we bottomed out. So more likely than not, the 5-minute will offer the first bounce, or the 10-minute, right? Right, exactly, like how we did over here, exactly how we did over here, how we did over here, right? How we did over here. So these bands are awesome, man. If you don't want to sit there and draw lines and draw horizontals, trend lines, SR flips, whatever the case is, you can literally just trade off the TMA band. It's beautiful. And the signals, look, sell, buy, sell, buy, right? It's a beautiful concept, but this only works when BTC is in a certain behavior, a certain state of mind. You can't use this strategy every day, all day, right? Right now, the next 48 hours, I can guarantee you that I'm going to double up my account, my scalping account, because of this. But this doesn't come often. This comes only maybe once every, I don't know, 2 weeks. This type of behavior, or maybe once every week and a half. You know, it just depends. But anyway, I'm not leaving my house for the next couple of days, and I'm strictly going to be just a scalping machine, just so get my account back up. Okay, so what's next right now? I want to show you guys trend bars real quick. Trend bars. Actually, let me give you guys a little bit of information of the oscillators. 4 hour. Look at this. Remember what I told you guys yesterday? Be very aware of this, because if this happens, the bottom is in. If this happens, the bottom is in. I'm going to repeat, guys. If this happens, the bottom is in. We are currently, remember I told you? Rejection here. Guys, please stop texting me. Rejection here, right? You see this? Boom. See this? Boom. We went down. We made a new low. Came back up, made a third low. So now we officially crossed over the trend line, the blue one. That's so bullish. That's why you see this big momentum right now. That's so bullish. So what's next to come? Well, let's try to see this. If we're able to buy the retest of this, when the trend line goes like this under and resets, this blue line resets and starts curling up, I will bet you money we're gonna go to all-time highs. Bet you money. The only way that happens and we don't go to all-time highs is if the 12 hours slaps the living bejesus out of us. And the 12 hours is about to occur right now. And the only way it could slap us is if we get right here. Look what happened here. Right here. Right? Which is basically us meeting up the signal line. So the 4 hour and the 12 hour need to be in sync. So for example, we might go a little bit higher to, what do we do over here? I'm just trying to prepare you guys so you guys don't take some profit when we go up, right? We did a 20% move up. And the 12 hours slapped the living bejesus out of us. That will put us at... Can't be. It's not going to take us to all-time highs if it's going to slap us. It should take us to those highs. Yeah, to this order block over here, to take out these highs. So take us somewhere around here. Take out this high. Take out this high. And let me see where the order block is. The 0.5. I don't know where it is, but let's just see where it is. Extension to the right, boom, 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 to those highs right here. Yeah, I mean that's pretty valid. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that's pretty valid. I think that if we do happen to get a 12-hour rejection of the signal line, it will bring us back down to at least bare minimum $53,000 around there. You know. But if this thing is basically something along the lines of this right here, what happened, right? We went up. Yeah, but this made a lower. No, it can't be the same. It's not going to be the same. No, don't look at this as the same. Just put it this way. I'm going to make it very easy for you guys. If this signal line rejects us, buy the higher low. Because it's going to be a rejection that's going to get bought up and make an all-time high. That's all. That's all I'm going to tell you, because I'm going to complicate it for you guys, and then I won't be able to explain it to you unless I do another video, right? Just watch the 12-hour right here, this. When we get over here, watch that. Take some profit when we get here. Really take some profit, because you don't know what could happen. If it dumps us, it will be a decent dump down, like at least a 15% dump down. So 12-hour, for God's sake, right? Daily. Actually, let's look at the 18-hour. I made the video yesterday about the 18-hour, telling you guys that if we do happen to curl, it should be the bottom. 18-hour looks good, guys. Look at the green. Remember what we said? Green, green. And we have an 18-hour hidden bull div. Ooh, I like what I see, guys. I like what I see. Everything looks good, man. Everything looks good. I'm not going to get too happy, but I am really bullish. Oh, Adam. I got an alert on Adam. Why? Let me see. I'm sorry, guys. Adam, USDT. Adam. Also 10%. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, this is how you make money. See? This is how you make money. Catch an altcoin bottom and with some leverage and you fly. Ethereum. So, Ethereum is definitely going to 1700s. Easy 1700s. I have it actually going all the way up here. At this cluster down here. Right here. Just to take out this wick. So, Ethereum is more bullish than BTC is. Ideally what you want to see is a rejection here, come back down, make a higher low around like low 1600s. I don't think we're going to go to 15s anymore, man, because if you look at the lower time frame, you have a lot of support that got built up. Look, watch, even though this is an ascending, it's still ascending supports, guys. So when something is an ascending support, you don't really break down from it. So like your most recent area for you that you need to watch is this little order block over here, 1620 to 1635. If we do happen to break that, you need to look at this area down here, right here. And the reason why I'm telling you that is because that's where our flip took place. You can put it over here, you can put it over here, whatever you want, right? That's where our flip took place. So if we do happen to come down, if we get rejected, it's something like this, and then go back up. But either way, the number is going up. We will go up. I'm confident we're going to go up. I'm not a moon boy. By the time everybody sees it that we're going up, it's going to already be too late. They're going to be like, hey guys, yeah, long from up here, and then put your stop loss down here, some crazy stuff. Anyway, be careful. Take some profits off. Put stop losses closer to the break-even area now that we broke above. We shouldn't see Ethereum under this order block. I know this is kind of far away, but we should not see Ethereum under this order block with a candle close. Maybe if you want to put a wick to take out that flat open, that's fine. Something along the lines of this. But we should not see Ethereum break under this for a very long time until we go back up to the top side. We have a lot of liquidity to take. We have to take this, we have to take this, we have to take this. There's a lot of liquidity to take to the top side, guys. So be careful being bearish, all right? And be careful being a moon boy. Just play the level to level. What else I want to show you guys? The trend bar, daily, BTC. BTC, let's see. BTC, DDD, DDD. Was it here or was it the daily? I forgot what I was looking at. It was a daily. Right here. Here you go. So right there. Just put that trend line on there. Just watch it. Ideally, you want to hug this, come back, and then go back above. And that's it. And this becomes a deviation outside the trend line. Just watch this trend line. And don't forget, guys, there's a massive, massive trend line down here. There's one over here, and then there's one from here to here. Wait, hold on. I did it wrong. Sorry. I did it right. It was this to this. Wasn't it? Oh, because I had log on. I'm sorry, guys. Let me delete this. I don't like using log with trend lines. Here we go. So watch this get back in that trend line, and then also watch this down here. There we go. Okay. And if you want to do some Fibonacci levels on the micros, 1, 2, 3. No, I don't like that. Get rid of this. I want to do 1, 2, 3. That's what I like. And then put this extension to the right, to the left. And let's look at level to level, right? So level to level is right here. 1-to-1 extension. Look where it is. Perfect confluence. 55.86. So you best believe that I'm going to scalp short that shit. But I'm going to scalp short that for sure. Okay, guys, I'm not making this video long because I made yesterday's video long. This is how I'm playing it. You guys know it. You guys see it. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me via DM. Be careful at the PVW. The PVW always offers some kind of like turbulence. Be cautious of it. And if you actually throw some fib levels on it, do this, and then put the 618. And then put the 725, 9. Where's the 9? Where's the 9? Do I even have the 9? Put the 5, get rid of the 2. Where's the 9? Am I blind, guys? You know, oh, right here. I got it. So perhaps I'm going to use your fibs. And extend this. And that's your fib level. There you go. The golden pocket, man. It's the golden pocket. So something along the lines of here. Again, I don't short blind, guys. I don't take shorts blind. You could you could start. Your 53.5 will act as a support for the time being, but you might be able to make a lower high, and you could target down here, right? So it'll be something along the lines of if this were to play out, it goes up, comes down, goes up, and then goes down. if this were to play out, right? But regardless, I don't short blind, guys. I need to see over unders. I have my levels identified, and at the time of approaching the level, at that time, I'm going to look at my actual oscillators and see if my oscillators are bearish or bullish. If they are bearish, I will scalp short. If they're still bullish, I'm not touching shorts, man. I'm not touching shorts. Again, you want to see over unders. This is a beautiful short opportunity. This beautiful short opportunity. Until I see this on this side, I'm not touching the short button, guys. Those are the rules. That's how I play. All right, guys. Cheers. Any questions? Feel free to DM me. We'll be in Discord, and trade safe, man. Enjoy your weekend. It should be a green weekend, man. Ciao.